this is the show called Idom. And this is episode 2. Two Stupids. Now I'm gonna sneak on the half human and ape and half ape. And now I'm not gonna touch him. I'm just gonna open the door, see what he's doing, and then if he sees me, I'm gonna go under the bed. Okay? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm opening the door now. Look what he's doing. Oh crap! Let's get down! Okay, this is scary. He's gonna get me! Look what I got, you little monster. Yeah. Dang! Fall down! He's an ape. Oh yeah. No, okay. La 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 la. I'm a little baby. La 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 la. Hi, little ape. Hi, little ape. I'm gonna kill you. Wait, I can't. Sorry. So, hi. What's your name?
My name